This poem is written from the perspective of one of the many dogs rescued by Sat Animal Rescue, saying thank you to the people of Sat. And one last wish, to find me a home, written by Len Torry and narrated by Gail Costello. I woke up this morning, thank the Lord up above for the people around me, their kindness and love. I've never known kindness, only hunger and fright, loneliness, darkness, and fear in the night. My home was a shed, just water, no light. When he came in, I knew what I'd get, a smack or the boot, 'cause the floor I had wet. I was chained to the post. What else could I do? I couldn't tell someone I needed the loo. I had no name before I came here. They now call me Floppy because of one ear. Just a thing I was, a something to flog. But I now have a name. I'm Floppy the dog. I know you're out there, someone, somewhere, to love us and keep us and set us all free of the bad things that we've been through. Please let it be me.